Hey there, health warriors. Ever wonder if your favorite snack is secretly sabotaging your kidneys? Well, stick around because I'm about to spill the beans on 6 common foods that might be wrecking your kidney health and sending your proteinuria levels through the roof. Trust me, number 4 will shock you. Now, before you panic and toss out everything in your fridge, let me assure you, we're not here to take away all your favorite foods. Instead, we're going on a journey to become kidney health detectives. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to watch out for, how to make smarter choices, and most importantly, how to keep your kidneys happy without giving up everything you love. So grab a notebook, because you're gonna want to jot this down. Let's kick things off with a quick win. Did you know that simply swapping out your regular table salt for a low-sodium alternative can make a huge difference for your kidneys? It's an easy change that can have a big impact. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. We've got so much more to uncover. Okay, let's take a step back and talk about why we're even worried about this stuff. Your kidneys are like the unsung heroes of your body. They're working 24/7 to filter waste, balance your fluids, and keep your whole system running smoothly. But when we constantly bombard them with certain foods, it's like making them run a marathon in flip-flops. They're gonna struggle. And that's where proteinuria comes in. It's a fancy word for protein in your urine, which is a red flag that your kidneys might be struggling. The foods we're about to discuss, they can crank up those protein levels and put extra stress on your hardworking kidneys. Now, I know what you're thinking. Come on, how bad can it be? I eat healthy, mostly. Well, prepare to have your mind blown. Some of the foods on this list are probably sitting in your kitchen right now, masquerading as health foods. One of them is so sneaky. It's probably fooled most of the health nuts you know. Before we go deeper into this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you whenever we upload a new video. Alright, let's unmask these kidney crashers one by one. 1. Processed meats. I'm talking about your bacon, hot dogs, and deli meats. They're loaded with salt and preservatives that can send your blood pressure soaring, making your kidneys work overtime. 2. Artificial sweeteners. Surprise. Those diet sodas aren't doing you any favors. Some studies suggest they might increase protein in your urine. 3. Excessive protein powders. Gym rats, listen up. Too much protein can overload your kidneys. It's all about balance, people. 4. Here's the shocker. Certain whole grain bread. But whole grains are healthy. I hear you cry. Well, some are super high in phosphorus, which can be tough on troubled kidneys. 5. Bananas. Now you've gone too far. I know. But for folks with kidney issues, their high potassium content can be problematic. 6. And the sneaky, store-bought smoothies. They seem so virtuous, but many are packed with hidden sugars and ingredients that can stress your kidneys. But don't worry. For each of these foods, I've got a kidney-friendly alternative up my sleeve. For example, instead of processed meats, try fresh, lean cuts. Craving something sweet? Opt for natural sweeteners like stevia in moderation. And here's a bonus tip. Staying hydrated is one of the best things you can do for your kidneys. But not all liquids are created equal. Green tea, for instance, is like a spa day for your kidneys. Now, I know we've covered a lot of ground here. Your head might be spinning with all this new info. But here's the thing. It's not about perfection. It's about progress. Start by tackling one item on this list. Maybe you swap out your daily deli sandwich for a homemade salad with grilled chicken. Small changes add up. And remember, everyone's body is different. What works for one person might not work for another. That's why it's super important to work with your doctor, especially if you already have kidney concerns. Click the link in the description to grab our recommended healthy living products. Think of this as your kidney health journey. It's not about depriving yourself. It's about making informed choices. And hey, you might discover some new favorite foods along the way. Alright, kidney health warriors, Now it's your turn. In the comments below, tell me which of these foods surprised you the most. And if you've got a killer kidney-friendly recipe, share it with the community. Don't forget to hit that like button if you learned something new, and subscribe for more health tips that'll keep your body running like a well-oiled machine. Remember, your kidneys have your back 24/7. Isn't it time you had theirs? Until next time, stay healthy, stay informed, and keep those kidneys happy.